Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm one of the skin and laser specialists here in Havana Digital Media, and in this video we're going to be speaking about the pros and cons of using the Derma roller itself. There is a lot of pros when using the Derma roller. So a few would be it will reduce your fine lines, your wrinkles. It's going to naturally stimulate your collagen, your elastin, so that's my favourite part. It will also help with scarring, stretch marks, open pores, blocked pores, and it also kind of gives us that rejuvenated look, so our skin is naturally a lot brighter, a lot firmer. So no one will know that you've got something done, and everyone will be looking at you be like, okay, you look amazing, what is your secret? So that's the part I love about the Derma roller. The cons would be, if you love exercise, we would recommend no exercise on the day of that you use your Derma roller. We don't want to put too much heat in the skin. So if you're picking a day that you're going to sit down and you're going to use your Derma roller and get right in there at the skin, try avoid exercise after. Another one would be redness. So that's always the hardest for a lot of people. So after using the Derma roller, you will have a slight redness on the surface of the skin. So if you are going to work the next day and you would feel that, you know, your skin will be a little bit more sensitive, it can have and still hold a tiny little bit of redness from the next day. Now, you may notice it a lot. We all notice our flaws worse on ourselves, but somebody looking at you may not notice at all. And then another one would be if you were addicted to active products like myself, so retinol, glycolic, salicylic, we'd recommend no use of those products 5 days before treatment and 5 days after treatment. We need to let the skin kind of breathe a little bit, so we'd recommend no active products within those time frames. So they would be the main cons of using the Derma roller. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to write them below. Or if you'd like to get in contact with any of the skin specialists from Havana Skin Clinic, we'd be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.